Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, this is a breast cancer awareness collab. So this is a collab I am doing with Vicky and Emma Jane. Emma Jane hasn't done a video, but I will have her picture at the end of the video and it will be over on Instagram. So the colours I'm going to be using today are these two from Lee. I think they look really pretty together. So the design I'm going to be doing today is very sort of simple, and yeah, I think quite elegant, I think. Anyway, I don't think I need to come back because it's fairly straightforward what I'm going to do, but if I do feel I need to, then I will. If not, just sit back and I shall see you at the end. Okay, see you soon. end of the design. So what do you guys think? I thought I would change it to see which way was better, whether it should be like this or the other way. I think the ribbon in the middle, I think. Well, I will post pictures of both ways at the end. But I mean, if you recreate, you can do whatever you want. Well, this is the finished design. I hope you like it, and I hope you like my video. Don't forget to head over to Instagram and check out the posts over there, because Emma didn't do a video, I don't think. No, Emma didn't do a video, she just done Instagram. So please check that out, and check out Vicky's video as well. And thank you so much, Vicky, for asking me to join. And yeah, don't forget, as I always say, make sure you keep checking on a regular basis. If you feel any sort of like lumps or bumps, or it just feels a bit different, you know, just go and get it checked out. It doesn't matter. As I always say, a few minutes of embarrassment, it can save your life. And you know, it's so worth it for them few minutes of embarrassment. I had to do it last year, so you know, we have to do what we have to do. So yeah, make sure you keep checking. And you know, not just breast cancer, as I say, you know, all cancers. If you notice anything at all, just go and get checked out. And make sure, you know, your partners, you know, are checking as well, because it's not just women who can get breast cancer, it's men as well. Just because they haven't actually got boobs, it's still the same sort of muscle tissue. So yeah, make sure everybody goes and gets checked out if they notice anything. Well, yeah, let me know what you think down below. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoyed my video today. If you're not subscribed to me, Vicky, or following any of us over on Instagram, Emma as well, please consider doing so. And yeah, hopefully you liked the design. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching today, and yeah, until next time, take care, bye. I will have all the pictures of all three designs at the end. Okay, bye.